this video, I'm going to go over how to make a granny square. My crochet friends are always excited to learn to do squares, and the granny square is a very traditional square that I'm going to teach you. We're going to start with a slip knot and chain 4. And then I'm going to close with a slip stitch into the first chain of the chain 4 here by the tail, and that is going to form our ring. I'm going to chain 3 to start, and that will count as the first double crochet. And then I'm going to crochet 2 double crochets into this ring. And I'm crocheting over the top of the tail to tuck it in so I don't have as much weaving in to do when I'm done with the square. Next I'm going to do 3 chains, and this increase will form the corner of our square. 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to do 3 more double crochets into the ring. Followed by 3 chains, and the 3 chains will form our corner. Do 3 more double crochets into the ring, and you can start to see the square shaping taking place. Followed by 3 chains. Now I'm going to do my 4th and last set of 3 double crochets followed by chain 3, and that is going to complete the first round of the granny square. I'm going to join in the 3rd chain of the beginning chain 3, just right there. And I'll join with a slip stitch. You can see our square is starting to take shape. For round 2, I'm going to chain 4, which is a double crochet with a chain 1. I'm going to do 3 double crochets into the corner where the chain 3 is. So there's each corner. I'm going to do 3 double crochets followed by a chain 3 and 3 more double crochets. So 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 more double crochets. And in round 2, that's going to be what forms our corners. So there's the first corner of round 2. Next I'm going to do a chain, and then I'm going to go into the next corner, and again I'm going to do 3 double crochets followed by 3 chains followed by 3 double crochets to form the next corner. Chain 3. When making your granny, the corners will be the same for every single round. So you'll do the 3 double crochets followed by a chain 3, followed by 3 double crochets, and then a chain 1. I'm going to do my third corner, which is done in the chain 3 space of the round before. Chain 3, more double crochets, and then a chain 1, followed by the next corner. I want you to pay attention after we finish this last corner. In the final corner, I did my 3 double crochets followed by chain 3 and then 2 more double crochets, and then I'm going to join in the third chain of this chain 4. The chain 1 counts as the chain 1 following our corner, and the chain 3 counts as the final double crochet stitch in this corner where we started. And so I will close round 2 with a slip stitch. To begin round 3, I'm going to chain 3. Now I'm going to do 2 double crochets, and this will form the sides in the following rounds of the granny as we continue to increase with each round. So there's a set of 3 double crochets. Now I'm going to chain 1 and do a corner. And if you remember, a corner is 3 double crochets followed by a chain 3 followed by 3 double crochets. After each corner is a chain 1, and then 3 double crochets over the chain 1 in the previous row, and that is followed by another chain 1, and then into the corner, 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets into the chain 3 of the corner below to form the corner for this round. And there's the corner, chain 1, 3 double crochets over the chain 1 below, and then chain 1. Now we'll do another corner into the previous corner, which are 3 double crochets followed by a chain 3, and then 3 more double crochets. Chain 1, do 3 double crochets in over the chain 1 below, chain 1, and then a corner in fourth and last corner, and the corner is 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 more double crochets. Chain 1, and I will finish this round by doing a slip stitch into the top chain of the beginning, chain 3, and that will complete round 3 of the granny square. For the next round, I'm going to chain 4, which the first 3 chains is the double crochet and then a chain 1, because I'm going to do 3 double crochets over the chain 1 of the previous row. And you're going to notice in this round that instead of one group of 3 over the chain 1 below, we're going to have 2 groups of 3 over the chain 1 below. I'll show you in this round. You can see you're going to be doing that twice here and twice here. And that's going to be your increases going forward for each row. You're going to have then a group of 3 double crochets, chain 1 on the side. Our sides in our corner stitch of 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets will remain the same all the way through. So I've done a group of 3 in this round, followed by the chain 1. Next will be the corner, and the corner is 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. after the corner has been crocheted, I'm going to do a chain 1. Now I'm going to do a group of 3 double crochets in the next 2 chain 1 spaces, followed by a chain. And then I'm going to do a corner in the next corner. So now instead of working in a circle, we're working each round outward in a square shape by the placement of our increases in the corners and in each of the sides. Following the corner, I'm going to do a chain 1 and then again a group of 3 double crochets followed by a chain 1 and another group of double crochets followed by a chain 1 and then a corner into the corner. And you're probably starting to feel the pattern of 3 double crochets, chain 1 in each of the chain 1 spaces, and then a corner, which is 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, followed by a chain 1 in the next corner. And you'll repeat this as you go out the number of rounds that you desire. Do that again. Corner in the corner. I've completed my last corner for this round, and I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to come over and do 2 double crochets in this space because the chain 3 plus the chain 1 counts as that double crochet in the chain 1. I'm going to finish with a slip stitch in the 3rd chain of the chain 3. This counts as our double crochet, or the last double crochet of this group of 3 double crochets. And then the chain 1 is the chain 1 between the 2 groups. And that completes round 4 of the granny square. Here's some of the variations you can achieve with some color changes to your granny square. And this shows a change of color for each round. And to achieve this, simply finish off after a round and then join the new round with a slip stitch and do the new color. And then again join with the new color for the next round. Be creative and add your own touches to make your granny square.